different types of socks that you need to be wearing for different types of shoes. For example, when you're wearing this type of shoes, your slacks, you should be wearing the no-show socks. That's how you know them. That's how they're called. No-show socks. That way, when you put them on, you will look better and you will not hurt yourself. And this is just the type of socks that you need to be wearing. These are happy socks. This, you wear them for detailing, to stand out without being too loud, without having to be so flashy. This is the way you do it. These are called happy socks. Sometimes you can wear them with your suit, sometimes you can't wear them with a suit. Depends on the code, depends on how elegant the event is. But this type of socks, you can wear them with jeans, khaki pants, some type of suit pants. It depends. These are white socks, and they should only be used for workout. With tennis shoes, with sportswear, you should only wear white socks if you're going to the gym or if you're going to do some sort of outdoor sporty event and exercise. Don't wear them to look casual or anywhere else. Last but not least, these are the formal socks. They are mostly made out of silk, and also they are longer. They are very, very long. They're supposed to be long, going all the way up to the knee, because these are used only with suits and with suit pants. Formal wear, remember. And as you are crossing your leg, you don't want to show off a little bit of skin. So these are the formal socks, and they are only made to use them with formal pants, suit pants, or with just a full suit. And they come in very sober and very dark colors, because they're not meant to stand out. They are meant only to cover your skin.